Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. So as you all know that my name is Gunjan, I am here to improve my English as well as my communication skills. And guys, this is the day 3rd of speaking on a random topic. And the topic that I have decided for today is habits. Yes guys, today I'm going to talk about habits. Actually, we are already aware of this word habits since our childhood, as our teachers, family members, our parents already teach us about habits, and we already know the difference between habits like good habits and bad habits. But does really habits like good or bad? So I want to tell you that habits are the actions that we repeat every single day. Habits are the continuous action, not occasionally. What we are doing, like sometimes we think habits, just adapting new things in our life, it's a habit. But it's not like that. Habits are the thing that you repeat every single day. You cannot skip any single day without doing a particular thing that you already have decided. For example, a student who studies every single day, he gains more knowledge automatically without any doing a lot of struggle, without any doing a lot of efforts, because he is just adapting a small habit of studying for 1 hour. Not He is not trying to do a lot of things at once. Doing a lot of things is not habits. Habits are tiniest things that you do and repeat every single day. So if he study every single day for 1 hour, he automatically increase her study time over the time. Okay, so this is how habits make a big difference in your life. And I'll tell you another example. Like if a person who do not exercise every day, but he start just giving exercise a particular time, like for 15 minutes or 10 minutes, then he would definitely adopt a habit of doing exercise every single day. And after few months he do not feel stress, he do not feel like he cannot do exercise, because he already adapt the habit of doing exercise. So he automatically understand that yes, I only have to give a small time on exercise. Then he do not feel stress, and he do not feel like this is a big task. Sometimes we feel that whatever we are doing is like a big task for us, but it's not like that. You just have to adapt a small things, and you have to do that small things every single day. So I think you understand what I'm trying to say about habits. Okay, I'll tell you the difference between good habits and the bad habits. So guys, good habits that helps you to grow, helps you to achieve your goals. So these are the good habits which helps you to encourage in your success. Like okay, I'll give you an example. Like if you are trying to learn new skills, so what do you think? You just trying to learn that skill instantly, but it doesn't work for you like that. What you have to do, you just have to give a small time, and this is a habit which makes you comfortable with that skill. Like suppose I am learning a English language. Right now I am learning this language. So what I am doing, I'm just giving a 10 to 15 minutes, and I just record myself and trying to speak in front of camera. That's what I exactly doing right now. So this is a habit that I'm building, and I'm not force myself to speak in front of camera for a whole day. No, I'm just building a habit, and this habit makes me comfortable with that language. So this is how it's help you to improve your skills, improve yourself, and push you towards your goals. And on the other hand, if I talk about bad habits, so bad habits that push you backward from your goals, and they discourage you. And bad habits can lead a bad impact on you. Like what are the bad habits actually? Like I'm not say that smoking, drinking, yeah, these are already bad habits, but I'm talking about the real habits that we cannot see. Because like drinking alcohol, smoking, these are the visible things, but I'm talking about the bad habits which like live inside ourselves, like scrolling videos unnecessary, scrolling unnecessary things, watching unnecessary videos, wasting our time just on useless thing, and procrastinating the things. Okay, I'll do it tomorrow. These are the bad habits we cannot see by our naked eyes. So that's why we are not aware of bad habits. So guys, if you want to like success in your life, if you want to achieve something in your life, you have to adapt good habits in your life. So just try to adapt good habits, and these habits definitely change your life completely. Just guys, trust the process and do every single day whatever you are adapting, whatever you want in your life, because habits make a big difference in your life. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you like this video, please like, share and comment. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.